Hello and welcome to Be Free Driving School. I'm Wendy Barker, and on this video we will look at the documents and legal requirements needed when learning to drive for the learner driver, supervising driver and the car. Before you can learn to drive, you must have a valid provisional driving licence or the old style paper licence, which must be presented with a current UK passport. It is important to look after your driving licence. You will lose your licence if you acquire 12 penalty points or 6 penalty points if you are a new driver within the first 2 years. You must be able to read an old style licence plate within 20.5 metres or a new style licence plate within 20 metres. The supervising driver must also meet the eyesight requirements, be at least 21 years old, held their full driving licence for at least 3 years, make sure their car is safe and legal. Only trainee or qualified driving instructors can receive payment for teaching people to drive. So let's look at what the car requirements are to be safe and legal. The owner of the car needs to have a logbook. This proves they are registered as the legal owner. The penalty for not doing this is a fine up to £1,000. A MOT certificate is required. It is issued by an approved MOT test centre and proves that the car meets environmental and road safety standards. You can be fined up to £1,000 for not having a valid MOT certificate, which can also invalidate your car insurance. You must pay vehicle tax according to either engine size, fuel type or CO2 emissions. You can be fined up to £1,000 for not paying vehicle tax. Car insurance is also required. There are 3 types of car insurance. Third party is a basic insurance policy and is the minimum you need to legally drive in the UK. This policy covers any damage you do to another thing, car or person, but not any damage done to you or your car. Third party fire and theft offers you the same coverage, but also includes any damage done to your car through a fire or theft. Fully comprehensive is the most expensive policy and covers against any damage you do as well as damage to you or your car. Always read the small print for exclusions. If you don't have insurance, you could incur an unlimited fine, 6 to 8 points on your licence, or you could be disqualified from driving. Learner plates need to be displayed correctly and should not interfere with your vision. L plates should be placed on the body of the car at the front and the back. If not visible, you could receive up to 6 penalty points on your driving licence. If you are stopped by the police, they will need to see your driving licence, MOT certificate and insurance certificate. If you don't have them on you, you have up to 7 days to produce them at the police station. I hope you found this video helpful. To see how much you can remember, have a go at the quiz. You'll find the link for the quiz in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a video again. Bye bye.